Hi all, here I am with a 3040 rental house. You can see the elevation of this house. Here is the plan. Ground floor there is a 2 BHK along with the parking, and first floor complete 2 BHK where owner can stay. In the second floor there are two houses, one is of 2 BHK and other one is 1 BHK. In the top, that is on the third floor, there is one hall with a bathroom. You can see this is the parking where you can park 2 cars along with 3 to 4 bikes. You can see the wall where it is cladded with the 2x4 tiles. This is the ground floor house. Already there are people who have taken it for rent, so this is closed now. Here there is a borewell, and also you can see the sump as well. Now let's move on to first floor. Again, front wall is cladded with the tiles. You can see the staircase. This is the first floor, and also you can see the safety grill as well. This is the main door of the first floor. This is a hall with a TV cabinet. And you can see the POP work as well. This is the kitchen where all the interior work has been completed. You can see the modular kitchen. There is a window in kitchen. This is the kitchen where all the interior work has been completed. You can see the kitchen interior work. This is the puja room where they have put the white tiles along with the golden borders. Also you can see the POP work for the puja room as well. This is the bedroom where they have provided the wardrobe. These are the sliding doors, and there are 2 windows provided in this bedroom so that you will have enough ventilation and lighting as well. Also there is a foldable study table provided and the TV in it as well, and there is an attached bathroom in this bedroom. This is the attached bathroom. Walls have been cladded with the tiles. can see the POP work in hall and the lighting. This is the other bedroom entry, where there is a common bathroom here. Again, complete walls are cladded with the tiles. This is the other bedroom. Here also there are two windows are provided, and the wardrobe also has provided along with the mirror. So let's move on to second floor. In first floor you can see the safety grill as well. This is the staircase to second floor. Again, all the front walls are cladded with the tiles. This is the 1 BHK house. Currently it is locked. You can see the main door. Let's go to 2 BHK house in this floor. This is a main door entry for 2 BHK. This is the TV unit, which is in the hall. Puja room in 2 BHK second floor house. And this is the kitchen. This is the bedroom, where they have provided the wardrobe for this bedroom. There is a common bathroom in this 2 BHK house, and this is the other bedroom, where you can see the wardrobe which is provided in this room. Now let's go to a rooftop, that is a third floor. This is a staircase to third floor. For this room also they have provided the wardrobe as well. You can see the wardrobe for this room. And there is a bathroom for this. So as I was mentioning, this house is in Nagasandra, and from Nagasandra metro station it's 1.5 kilometers, and there are nearby very good international schools and all the facilities are available nearby this house, and this is a very good house for rental purpose. So anyone is interested to buy can contact the number which is shown in this video. Thank you all. Thanks for watching the video. See you in next video. Thank you.